who do you love? Bitch, who do you love? I'm that nigga. But the Bank of America account got 6 figures. I'm that nigga on the block. Run like athletes. I'm that nigga. But the Bank of America account got 6 figures. I'm that nigga on the block. Who do you love? Bitch. Well, shit. Where you live?
Hi. I am looking for Molly. I've been searching everywhere and I can't see.
Gangsta grill, shoot gas. I love all my bitches, that's my fucking problem. A $2 bill is still a couple dollars. And if any one of them niggas got a fucking problem, I'ma milk all of them cause they fucking cowards. I love red bitches, it's just something about them. But I'm getting better pussy from a brown one. Been schooling y'all niggas, I'm your alma mater. I'm the shit where the fly swatter. Ooh, I know you liking who you eating on. Make me think about all of the nights we got a threesome on. Make me think about how you suck it like your teeth are gone. If your friends hating on you, fuck them. To each his own, yes sir. I do my drugs, then I sleep them off. Like it just be calling me, I need to turn my ringer off. Ain't no fucking sing along unless you brought the weed along. That could. Okay, I got it. That could. Cop pounds and put my people on. We could take the stairs up to the stars, that's where we belong. Fuck that shit you talk, I beat that pussy like production. Or like Rocket beat the Russian. Or like Jordan beat the buzzer. Nigga, give me what you got. Take that money like a usher. One man band, all you hear is repercussion. Told a bitch to myself is gonna lead to self-destruction. She looked me in my eyes and say, nigga, I ain't worried about nothing. Nothing, shorty, you a beast. I love bad bitches, okay, what's the problem? If she thinks she gon' come up, then I'ma fucking drown her. I'm wildin' in public schools and public housing. Can't afford failure, I'm just browsing. I was 15 with 100,000. And if you talk trash, I'm a fucking possum. And nigga, if your bitch got an eye problem, you know what it is, on robbery, don't you? I heard him tell me go get him young. I haven't seen a movie since I started living one. I be in a room full of bitches getting drunk, smoking like a point guard, no look, passing